revenue.
MCAs ma county ma Kericho chako chenro mar thicho kwe apisi jagoro mar kauntino Wesley Bor bang' rem wuok e apisno kagiwacho ni ne ok oluwo chike mowinjore luw e yudo kom makamano. MCAs go duto marom 67 nokadho paro makamano ka onge MCA mora mora mano osire lwedo. MCA Paul B manochwalo paro makamano e bura ma county ma Kericho wacho ni nonro imetim e wi omenda moko manochoki mag konyo oganda manoyudo hinyruok kaluwore gi masira mar apaya malundiani. Omenda manyaka sani pok ong'e kama nitiere. Bende isaye kuom loso tese moko mabandia kendo chiwo ripode ma obam kotenre gi apise.
We decided to move a notice of motion on his removal, passing notice of motion on his removal. This one will allow now a panel of 6 members to investigate further and look into these allegations that Dr. Bor has been, mentioned of.
I am privileged because I sat through the ad hoc committee that was investigating the mismanagement of Londiani Arambe funds that was meant for the victims and those who lost their lives in that accident. And this man was always appearing in every other thing. Number 2, we had a kazi mtaani. You remember there was an ad hoc for kazi mtaani where 39 million belonging to people of Kericho were lost through some companies that were associated also with this guy. Number 3, the designation of roles. He is assigning roles that does not belong to him.
So I just wanted to say the motion that was moved today could have even been passed yesterday, because it has been 8 months waiting for this opportunity to exercise what we exercised today. And to the media, I just want to congratulate you for covering what happened, what was going on from the floor of the House.